What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today is cover tomorrow's game plan. Guys, before we jump into it, do me a favor, hit that like button, guys. That way you stay up to date whenever we drop a video. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the first ticker. We're gonna do it for the newbies and the beginners. We're gonna start off with AMD. But guys, I hope you guys are out there enjoying the weekend and just having fun, getting ready for good plays and the action that the market is going to give us tomorrow. AMD is the first ticker up. With AMD, if you are a bull, what you want to see them do, they're currently sitting at 152.30. You want to see them break through 152.90. They can do that. They can start booming this thing higher and start making a run. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this chef level right in here get taken out, 151.80. They can break through that. They're going to start coming down to this stuff in here, 150.70. They break through that, we got some more dropping to do. So that's AMD. Let's go ahead and throw the next ticker up because I still got a lot of requests for Palantir. If you see what Palantir did, man, Palantir is sitting at 35.58. You see they had that big old run up to 36 bucks and they trying to break that area right there. Naturally, if you are a bull, you want to see this stuff get taken out. $36 even. They're going to try to make that push for their next run. They're going to do the 36.20 to 36.50, 36.70, and then boom, hitting that 37. They got their eyes and their target on running this thing up to $40. We'll scalp that thing on the way, and then once it start making that pullback, you'll go ahead and get that too. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this level right here at 35.50 start getting broken down. If they can start breaking that thing down, you got this stuff up in here, 35.30, and ultimately what you want to see is this area right here get smacked out, 35.20. They can break that. They're going to come back down to the 200 and start running back down. We'll handle that in real time whenever that presents itself. Next ticker up, we're going to go ahead and hit Walmart. Walmart's been paying pretty good. We'll stay into them until they stop giving us plays. Walmart, they're currently sitting at 80.60. If you are a bull, what you want to see is those tops right here at 80.70 get taken out. They can start taking out that. They can start making that push to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here where they got rejected at and went right back up. You want to see these bottoms get taken out at 80.30. They can start taking out 80.30. They can start making that run back down to this stuff in here. Ultimately, you want to see 79.60 get taken out. They can take out 79.60. They're going to start back pedaling all the way back down to this 78.70 mark and lower. That's it for the newbies and beginners. Gave you 3 tickers to put on your radar. We're going to jump right into the big ballers, the high rollers. We're going to do it. We're going to start it off with SMCI. A lot of people playing that ticker right there. Currently sitting at 457.20. If you are a bull, what you want to see is these tops right here at 460.10 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to start making that push back to this stuff up in here, this higher stuff. And ultimately, you want to see that boom right at 469.50. They can start breaking through that. They're going to start running up. That'll be a good play to pay attention to once you see that break in here. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here where they got rejected at. If they can start pushing through here, you got 455.40 on the table. They break that. You coming down to this little stuff up in here, 452.80. They break that. They coming back down in here to 441.90. So that will be a good drop if you're able to catch it. But don't guess in any of these plays. Wait for it to present itself level to level. We'll catch it. Next ticker up, we're going to do one that everybody's been playing over the last couple days. We're going to hit ORCL because that's Getting a lot of requests on that one right there. They're currently sitting at 162 even. What you want to see if you're a bull, you want to see 162.35 get taken out. They can take out 162.35. They're going to start slowly pressing this thing all the way up to this area in here, 164.50. They boom through that right there. Look what we got on our hands. They're going to make that climb up, and you want to see 166.60. If they start smacking through there, you got some resistance right in here at 166.90. They break through that, boom, we coming back up to 168, 169, get through that, boom. That's going to be a nice little run up right there. Just keep that on your radar. Pay attention to it. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 161 get taken out. They can take out 161. They coming back down. 160.80, next target down, and you want to see these bottoms get knocked out at 159.40. They break that, we got more room to run to the downside. Next ticker up, we're going to hit Tesla. We're currently sitting at 230.25. If you are a bull, you want to see these levels at 231 get taken out. They can start taking out 231. I got an area of interest at 231.45. They break through that, you got 231.90, and then boom, 232.70. They break through 232.70. They running up to my next level at 234. Got some resistance right around 234.55-ish. They break through that. Boom, 235.80, here we come. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here at 229.60 get taken out. They can break through that. You got this stuff up in here at 228.45, and next level down after that is 227.40. Guys, pay attention to these levels that I give you, because we don't know where pre-market is going to open us at in the morning, but all of these levels come into play as they dropping us in pre-market, or if they popping us in pre-market. If, you know, we open higher than where we currently at, look for my level that I called up for the next level up, because it's going to always come to that. And once it gets to that, it's going to think, man, do I want to smack through that, or do I want to come back down? That's their pausing area. And if they're going to be strong, they're going to pop through that area and start running to that next area of resistance. Keep that in your mind. Next ticker up is Nvidia. Had a couple comments in the last video for Nvidia. Nvidia is sitting at 119.10. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 119.35 get taken out. They can take out that. Next tops is at 119.80. And then they can slowly start making that press all the way up to this top at 120.80. They break through that right there. Boom, they're going to start trying to crush through 123, 125, 127, ultimately hitting that 130 mark. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 118.70 get taken out. They can start taking out that. You got these bottoms right here that they got rejected and went back up at. You want to see those bottoms at 118.30 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, we come in all the way back down to 117.60, and then I got my low stuff coming back into play, 116.75, and then so forth. You got some good moves on the downside if we get to that point. Don't front run anything. Make sure you see a good direction or a good trend before you decide to dive in. Last but not least, it's SPY. If you are a bull, what you want to see with SPY, first you want to see 562.35 get taken out. They can take out that. Guys, look where we at. We see, let me explain something with what stocks do. Stocks, they go up, we know, and then they go back down. Look what happened right here at 562.80. And I kind of talked about this in my video yesterday. What happened every time we tried to break through 562.80? Boom, they got smacked back down. Over here, we tried to test it, 562.80. What happened? Boom, we got smacked back down. All of these rejections right at 562.80. They got smacked back down. They couldn't make it through. It's like, I was watching a police show the other day. The guys was banging through the door. They just kept banging through the door. They couldn't bang. They couldn't get that door down. They came back a couple hours later with something else, and then they boom, they hit it and it broke down. That's the same thing that happens when, look at all these tests at 562.80. Man, boom, you got smacked back down. Boom, 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 smack back down. They coming back down to build that energy to run back up. What do you think gonna happen when they hit that 562.80 again? Man, that door is getting weak. It's getting weak. Every time they make an attempt at it, it's getting weaker. It's getting weaker. They gonna come back down. I expect some type of dip. And then once they run that thing back up and they smack that thing, they gonna break through that. And your next level up is gonna be 563.20. And they should have enough speed to boom, 563.90. Next one, boom, 564.75. Next one, boom, 565.20. They get through that one right there, the sky is the limit. They're going to have their eyes set on 570. Mark my words. Don't say you didn't hear it. You heard it from D Fresh first. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 561.65 get taken out. They can break through that. You got 561 even, and then you got the lower stuff we'll handle in real time. Once they get in these areas right here, then I got my down levels down here, and you know I'll be throwing those darts at you throughout the session. Guys, that's your tickers. That's your plays for tomorrow. Hope you took notes on all this good stuff. But a couple things that I want to bring up in here. Guys, I've been preaching about that Moomoo site. Again, if you're interested in Moomoo, it's a link in the description below. Make sure you tap on that. Go ahead and sign up for that. But different option than Robinhood. I love the charts on there, but I figured out you can link Moomoo to TradingView. As you see, look on the bottom right here, you see that little Moomoo logo. It's a way to trade options. I haven't figured that out. I've been playing with that this morning. As soon as I figure it out, I'll make a video about it and I'll put it in here. That way everybody can start jumping into Moomoo, trading straight from TradingView. That's going to be amazing. All right, guys, last thing I want to bring up is tomorrow's Monday. What we do in the Discord on Monday, 9:15, we getting it. We grinding. We getting that live going on. We gonna cover some futures. We gonna cover some SPY. We gonna cover some QQQ. We gonna play all over the board. Most importantly, we're going to teach and train why we go about doing what we do before we enter a play. We're going to look at what the market is trying to do, but we're going to dominate tomorrow. We're going to go after that bag and we're going to secure the bags. If you ain't there, get yourself there. About an hour, we're going to wrap it back up and jump right into the regular session. Looking forward to seeing all y'all there tomorrow. But hey, I done took enough of your time. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, do me a favor, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, grinding, good luck out there.